Hello, good morning students and welcome back on my YouTube channel Math Mentor. So today I am going to start the new concept of continuity, that is the properties of continuous function. In previous video lecture we completed the concept of continuity, the definition of continuous function, some examples of continuous function. Now we will see the properties of continuous function. So let's see here properties of continuous function. So these properties are without proof. So we consider f and g are two functions, f and g. So we call f of x and g of x are two functions, are continuous functions, continuous function on their common domain at x is equal to c. If f of x and g of x are two functions which are continuous on their common domain at x is equal to c, then their sum, their difference, then their sum f plus g means f of x plus g of x, f of x plus g of x, f of x minus g of x, f of x into g of x, and k into f of x, where k is constant, are also continuous at x is equal to c. So this is the first property. If two functions are continuous on their common domain, then their sum, their difference, their product and k times into f of x are also continuous on their domain at x is equal to c. So this is the first property which is without proof. Now second property, f of x and g of x are continuous function at x is equal to c, then f of x upon g of x is also continuous. Their quotient is also continuous at x is equal to c, except denominator not equal to 0. So this is the second property. This also property is without proof. If two functions are continuous on their common domain, then their sum, their difference, their product, this dot means product or multiplier to be same, and k times f of x, k is a constant which is a coefficient of f of x, where k is a constant, are also continuous at x is equal to c. Second property, f of x and g of x are continuous, numerator continuous, denominator continuous, then their quotient is also continuous at x is equal to c, except denominator not equal to 0. This is the second property. Number third property, which is also very important. Property number third, if f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c, f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c, then the composite function GOF, which is from a to c, then their composite function GOF defined by GOF from a to c. The composite function also GOF or GOF of x or g of f of x आर टू बी सेम, सब उसके नोटेशन है जी ओ एफ और जी ओ एफ ऑफ एक्स और जी ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स. इफ एफ एंड जी आर continuous function at x is equal to c. F of x and g of x are continuous function at x is equal to c, then their composite function, either this or this or this, कौन सा भी एक लिखो, g of f of x, then their composite function g of f of x is also continuous at x is equal to c. So these are the three important properties of continuous function. First property is what? If f and g are continuous on their common domain, then their sum, their difference, their product and k times f of x are also continuous on their domain, that x is equal to c, where k is a constant. What about the second property? Second property is what? F and g are continuous at x is equal to c, then their quotient is also continuous at x is equal to c, except denominator not equal to 0. Okay. What about third property? Third property is about what? Composite function. If f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c, then we say that their composite function is defined as GOF from a to c. GOF को हम g of f of x लिखते हैं और GOF of x भी लिख सकते हैं. So that function is also continuous when f and g are continuous, okay, on their domain or at x is equal to c. So this is the third property, which is about what? Composite function. Okay. So these are three properties of that is continuous function which are without proof. Okay. Now we'll take next concept. Now let's study the types of discontinuity. So we have to classify some types of discontinuity. So first of all, what is the continuous function? So we have to study the what is continuous function. So first is what? Limit exists. Limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to f of a. This is the first definition. Limit exists, value exists and both are equal. This we say that the function is continuous at x is equal to a. Second definition, if left hand limit is equal to right hand limit and which is equal to value of the function. So left hand limit of the function is equal to right hand limit of the function is equal to value, then we say that the function is continuous. But here left hand limit exists, right hand limit exists and value also exists and all are equal, then we say that the function is continuous. But sometimes यहाँ पर अगर लिमिट ही एग्जिस्ट नहीं है, so limit x tends to a, f of x does not exist. So if limit does not exist, then we have to no need to check the continuous or discontinuous, because of what? लिमिट ही एग्जिस्ट नहीं है, तो डिसकंटिन्यूटी और कंटिन्यूटी चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पर अगर लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट एंड राइट हैंड लिमिट आर नॉट इक्वल, then we can't remove this type of discontinuity. So हम इसको रिमूव नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज यहाँ पर लिमिट ही एग्जिस्ट नहीं है. सो लिमिट एक्स टेंड्स टू ए, एफ ऑफ एक्स इज नॉट इक्वल टू लिमिट एक्स टेंड्स टू ए प्लस एफ ऑफ एक्स. सो दिस इज लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट, दिस इज राइट हैंड लिमिट, बोथ आर नॉट इक्वल. So this type of discontinuity we can't remove because of what? Here limit is not exist, so that's why we can't remove such type of discontinuity. Okay, so what are the types of discontinuity? So important article, that is types of discontinuity. Types of discontinuity. So in that first type is what? Removable discontinuity. So we'll take one example for this. हम इसका एक example लेंगे और I will explain the what is called the removable discontinuity. The word defines the removable. Removable means what? Able to remove. Able to remove the discontinuity. Able to remove the discontinuity. That is called as what? Removable. For example, listen here. Suppose this is f of x is equal to x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2. For x is not equal to 2 is equal to 5. X is equal to 2 and we have to check the continuity. हमें उसको कंटिन्यूटी चेक करना है, कंटिन्यूस है क्या डिसकंटिन्यूटी हमें चेक करना है. दिस इज द फंक्शन x इज नॉट इक्वल टू 2 मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द लिमिट ऑफ दिस फंक्शन. x इज इक्वल टू 2 मीन्स इस फंक्शन की वैल्यू कितनी है 5 है. सो 5 इज द वैल्यू, वी हैव टू फाइंड जस्ट लिमिट. सो हम सिर्फ इसका लिमिट फाइंड करेंगे. लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 2 बिकॉज x इज नॉट इक्वल टू 2. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन? x स्क्वायर माइनस 4 डिवाइडेड बाय x माइनस 2. So this is a formula method or factorization method. X square minus 4 के factor x minus 2 x plus 2 divided by x minus 2. So x minus 2 x minus 2 cancel. ये x की जगह पर 2 रखो. 2 plus 2 is what? 4. So this 4 is the limit. 5 is the value which are not equal. So this is the discontinuous function because value exist है, limit भी exist है. वैल्यू एग्जिस्ट, लिमिट एग्जिस्ट, बट बोथ आर नॉट इक्वल. सो यहाँ पर इफ लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 2, लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू एफ ऑफ एक्स इज नॉट इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ 2. लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 2 इज नॉट इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ 2. सो वी कैन remove this type of discontinuity. This type of discontinuity, we can remove this type of discontinuity by redefining the function. By redefining the function so as to it becomes continuous. अगर वैल्यू एंड लिमिट आर नॉट इक्वल, value and limit are not equal, then we can remove this type of discontinuity by redefining the function. So by redefining the function so as to it becomes continuous. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? continuous हो जाएगा. So ये function continuous कब हो सकता है? सिर्फ यहाँ 5 की जगह पर हम इसको 4 करेंगे. सिर्फ इस फंक्शन को रीडिफाइन करना है, इसको तो हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. फंक्शन ये टर्म नहीं चेंज करते, वैल्यू चेंज कर सकते. 5 की जगह पे 4 लिखो. सो नाउ दिस बिकम्स व्हाट? कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन. अब ये क्या होगा? कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी वी कैन रिमूव बाय रीडिफाइनिंग द फंक्शन. सिर्फ फंक्शन को रीडिफाइन करना है सो एज टू इट बिकम्स कंटिन्यूअस. सो दिस इज द सिंपल डेफिनेशन ऑफ रिमूवेबल डिसकंटिन्यूटी. हम रिमूव कब कर सकते? अगर लिमिट ऑफ द फंक्शन इज नॉट इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन, एंड सच टाइप ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी वी कैन रिमूव बाय रीडिफाइनिंग द फंक्शन. सो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल. वी विल टेक राइट द डेफिनेशन. इफ limit extends to a f of x and f of a are exist, limit of the function, value of the function are exist, and limit extends to a f of x is not equal to f of a. Such type of discontinuity, such type of discontinuity we can remove by redefining the function, so as to it becomes continuous. so as to it becomes continuous. So this is the definition, this is example. By example we can define the definition. हम example से definition define करेंगे. It's very simple process. अगर फंक्शन डिसकंटिन्यूस है, अगर फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस है तो उसकी डिसकंटिन्यू रिमूव करने का कोई चांस ही नहीं है. फंक्शन डिसकंटिन्यूस कब होता है? अगर उसकी लिमिट और वैल्यू अलग अलग है तो ये टाइप की कंटिन्यूटी क्या होती है? डिसकंटिन्यूस होता है. वो फंक्शन क्या होता है? डिसकंटिन्यूस होता है. व्हेन इफ लिमिट ऑफ द फंक्शन इज नॉट इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन, एंड सच टाइप ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी वी कैन रिमूव बाय रीडिफाइनिंग द फंक्शन. सो हाउ टू रीडिफाइन द फंक्शन? सिर्फ फंक्शन लिखना है, उसकी वैल्यू चेंज करना है. अगर वैल्यू चेंज की तो ये होगा रीडिफाइन फंक्शन. उसको रीडिफाइन किया, अब ये फंक्शन क्या होगा? कंटिन्यूअस. सो एज टू इट बिकम्स व्हाट? कंटिन्यूअस. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी, that is a removable discontinuity. Okay, we will take second, that is next. After completion of removable discontinuity, let's see what is called as the irremovable discontinuity. That is the second type of discontinuity. So let's define what is called irremovable discontinuity. Irremovable discontinuity. So the word defines its meaning. Irremovable. It is not able to remove. It is not able to remove discontinuity. That is called as what? Irremovable. And removable means what? Able to remove discontinuity. So what is called not able to remove the discontinuity? If left hand limit f of x is not equal to a right hand limit of the function, so we call that is limit x tends to a f of x does not exist. Does not exist. वैल्यू नहीं है, सिर्फ क्या है? लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज नॉट इक्वल टू राइट हैंड लिमिट. लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज नॉट इक्वल टू राइट हैंड लिमिट. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? डिसकंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन. एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन वी कैन नॉट रिमूव बाय रीडिफाइनिंग द फंक्शन. इसको रीडिफाइन नहीं कर सकते. सो इसको क्या कहते हैं? इरिमूवेबल डिसकंटिन्यूटी और जंप डिसकंटिन्यूटी, और जंप डिसकंटिन्यूटी. If limit does not exist, so this type of discontinuity cannot be removed, cannot be removable. So we called this type of discontinuity is irremovable or jump discontinuity. So this is actual second definition of continuity. If left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value, that is called as continuous function. If any of the condition is fails, then we say that the function is discontinuous. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, then we say that the function does not exist. अगर function ही does not, limit of the function does not exist, limit of the function does not exist, so this type of discontinuity we cannot remove. So ये type की discontinuity हम उसको remove नहीं कर सकते, and that's why we called irremovable, is not able to remove or jump discontinuity. So this is the second type of discontinuity. First one is a removable and second one is what? Irremovable discontinuity. It's a very simple concept of continuous function. Okay, so second is infinite discontinuity. Next, after types of discontinuity, next is infinite discontinuity. So limit x tends to a minus f of x is equal to plus or minus infinity, or limit x tends to a plus f of x is equal to plus or minus infinity. So this type of function is called as, we have the infinite discontinuity. Infinite discontinuity means what? लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट और उसका प्लस और माइनस इन्फिनिटी है, राइट हैंड लिमिट उसका प्लस और माइनस इन्फिनिटी है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? इनफाइनाइट डिसकंटिन्यूटी. फॉर एग्जांपल लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 f of x is 1 by x, f of x is 1 by x, left hand limit is minus infinity, or right hand limit of this function 1 by x is equal to plus infinity. So this type of function, ये जो function है 1 by x, so this is called as what? Which have the infinite discontinuity. 1 by x at x tends to 0, left hand limit minus infinity, right hand limit plus infinity, and this type of function is called as what? Infinite discontinuity. Okay, so this is the next concept of this topic, continuity. That is the types of discontinuity. First is removable, second is irremovable or jump discontinuity, and second article is what? Infinite discontinuity. Okay, now next part of the topic, continuity, that is continuity over an interval. So continuity over an interval. So we are very familiar with this concept interval in the topic sets and relations. So there are main two types of interval, that is open interval and closed interval. So first definition of this: if f of x is a function, f of x is function is said to be continuous over open interval AB. अगर फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस ओवर ओपन इंटरवल AB such that f is continuous for every C belongs to A comma B. F is continuous for every real number C which is belongs to A comma B. अगर A C एक ऐसा रियल नंबर है which is in between A and B, A and B के बीच में उस इंटरवल में है, so then we say that this function is continuous for every that said to be continuous over open interval AB. F of x is continuous in open interval AB. This is possible if and only if f is continuous for every C belongs to A comma B. So this is the first definition, which is function is continuous on open interval AB. Second definition: if f of x is continuous on closed interval AB such that f of x is continuous on open interval A comma B. अगर फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस इन क्लोज इंटरवल तो वो ओपन इंटरवल में भी क्या होना चाहिए? कंटिन्यूस होना चाहिए. मीन्स अगर 0 to पाई ये इंटरवल में क्लोज इंटरवल में फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस है, देन दैट फंक्शन डेफिनेटली कंटिन्यूस ऑन द ओपन इंटरवल 0, पाई. अगर ये फंक्शन एक कौन सा भी फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस है और ओपन इंटरवल 1,5 पे वो ओपन इंटरवल में वो कंटिन्यूअस है. सो 1 to 5 में एक रियल नंबर 2 भी है, 3 भी है और 4 भी है. So it means that function is continuous at x is equal to 2, at x is equal to 3, at x is equal to 4 also. Okay, because that function is continuous over open interval 1 to 5, 1,5. It means that function is also continuous at x is equal to 2, at x is equal to 3, at x is equal to 4, because 2, 3, 4 are belongs to 1,5. Right. So if this function is continuous over closed interval a comma b, so that function definitely continuous over the open interval a comma b. अगर 0 to pi closed interval 0 to pi continuous है, so that function definitely continuous over the open interval 0 comma pi. Okay, so this is the next article of the continuity over an interval. This is for open interval, this is for क्लोज इंटरवल. राइट, इसका लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट एट एक्स इज इक्वल टू ए, राइट हैंड लिमिट आल्सो एग्जिस्ट, सो दैट आर कंटिन्यूअस. ओके, सो दिस इज द continuity over an interval. So this is a sufficient study for today's video lecture. What was the first article of today's video lecture? That is the properties of continuous function. Then types of discontinuity. First is removable, second is irremovable, that is we also call it as the jump discontinuity, and next is what? Infinite discontinuity. 1 upon x tends to 1 upon x, when x tends to 0, it is what? Infinity. So this is called as what? Infinite discontinuity. And the last is what? Continuity over an interval. ओपन इंटरवल एंड व्हाट? क्लोज इंटरवल. अगर ओपन इंटरवल में कंटिन्यूस है तो उसके हर एक रियल नंबर में वो क्या हो सकता है? कंटिन्यूस हो सकता है. अगर क्लोज इंटरवल में कंटिन्यूस है तो उसकी ओपन इंटरवल भी क्या हो सकता है? वो कंटिन्यूस हो सकता है. ओके, so we'll stop here. So stay tuned on this YouTube channel Math Mentor. We'll take more examples, more concept of this topic continuity on the next video lecture. Okay, so thank you very much.